All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to another opening bell with Tshepo session brought to you by TD Markets. All right, it's a brand new week. It's a Monday, last week of the month. We're about to enter into a new month. We're gonna no, last week of the month is next week. Right, apologies for that. This is not the last week of the month, but it's definitely a brand new week. And we're gonna start off the session by looking at the calendar. This is the calendar directly from our website tdmarkets.com. Under the tools tab you will see economic calendar. Quite a few events we have this week. On Monday we don't have any significant events, however starting from Tuesday that's where we see a lot of events. All right, so at 12:45 we have the retail sales quarter on quarter, and that's the NZD currency NZD interest rate quarter on quarter. We also have the core interest rates and the not the interest rate, sorry, retail sales. Right, we've got the retail sales, core retail sales, and retail sales year on year. Now they're expecting a few changes, right, on these events. So definitely around this time we're gonna see the NZD, any pair paired against the NZD, we're gonna see it move. Um, we're gonna see volatility on that, right? So on Tuesday at 12:45 NZD retail sales, and then so that is basically the only event that we have on Tuesday. Now moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday we have another NZD, or an important NZD event, which is the interest rate decision. All right, that's at 4 a.m. Right, the NZD interest rate decision. Keep an eye out for that. So around this time, we're expecting NZD to really be volatile. And on the very same day, we have the FOMC meeting minutes. That's at 8. All right, watch out for the FOMC meeting minutes. So both these events are on Wednesday. And moving on to Thursday, so Thursday we do have a few. Then there we have the CAD retail sales month on month, core retail sales month on month. That's at 2:30 the CAD. At the very same time, we also have the US dollar GDP quarter on quarter. All right. As you can see, they're expecting changes on that event. So do keep an eye on that event as well. Um, if you guys are gonna have currencies, or if you guys are gonna have positions on these currencies or currency pairs, then just make sure that you understand on Thursday at 2:30 there are these events, right? And yeah, so that's it for Thursday. So Thursday, the CAD and the dollar, we have news events there. And now moving on to Friday. Friday we don't have any event. Friday is gonna be a clean day. All right. So Friday we don't have any event. So just to do a recap, on Thursday we have the CAD retail sales, we have the dollar GDP, both of them at 2:30. All right. On Wednesday we have the FOMC meeting minutes. That's at 8, and then earlier on in the morning we have the NZD interest rate decision at 4 a.m. And on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, we have the NZD retail sales at 12:45. So these are the events that you have throughout the week. All right. So we're gonna head over to the charts and take a look at the setups for this session and see how will they move. All right, so the first one here is AUDJPY. So AUDJPY is now in a corrective wave. All right, um, in this corrective wave, so we'll be looking at price action as soon as the market breaks above this top. Right, we're expecting run around this area. Right, we're gonna look for selling opportunities as soon as the market breaks that top according to the structure that we have identified here. We are forecasting. So as soon as the market goes inside the zone, then anywhere around that zone we'll be looking for more downside, right? So AUDJPY, keep an eye out on that. All right, and the second one here that we have is Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss made an aggressive push to the downside the previous week. and that broke structure to the downside, that also broke uh, below structure levels. All right, so we will be keeping an eye on this correction, as soon as this correction breaks to the downside. So we're still expecting the market to just push a little bit to the upside, and then around this area, then we will be looking for any selling opportunities that we find. All right, so it can still push a little bit more to the upside because it's still correcting, and once this correction completes, we will be looking for a sell and capitalize on this move to the downside. So that's Euro Swiss. Keep an eye out on that. All right, and the last one here is AUD NZD, right? AUD NZD, anywhere below this low, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. All right, we've got a nice corrective structure forming. The market is still in a bullish trend. So once this correction completes anywhere below this low, anywhere in this area, we will be looking for our buy opportunities. All right, so AUD and ZD preparing for a leg to the upside. All right, so we've gone over AUD JPY, we've gone over Euro Swiss, and now this is AUD NZD. And that's it for this session, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's see what the day has for us. Also keep an eye out for our live trading sessions, our other streams. If you guys are looking for education, send us an email to care@tdmarkets.com. You need to be an account holder, a TDM account holder, right, for you to, and then you need to obviously fund your account for you to gain access to the sessions, right? They are very private, 2 times a day, the morning session and the evening session. All right, and yeah, that's it for the session, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck and take care.